Welcome to this tutorial on rapid space-time visualization with one variable. The data are rates of late-stage diagnosis of breast cancer in Michigan counties from 1986 to 2006. Now select in-depth visualization for one variable. Use breast cancer, Lower Michigan for the data set, and breast cancer late stage rate for the variable. Then click OK. We now see the map of breast cancer late stage rate in the upper left, its distribution in the upper right, the time series of the rates in each county in the lower left, and the box plot of those rates through time. Now, the animation bar on the bottom controls when we are looking at the data. We begin in 1986, and we can now step through the data. We see that the shade on the map is becoming lighter, the rate is decreasing, the distribution on the right is also stepping to the left, because a mean is decreasing. We see the time series, of course, is not changing because it's a time series, it's static through time. And the box plot whiskers are decreasing in length as the mean decreases. Do there appear to be any areas of concern? Looking at this, I think that county in the upper left might be an issue. Let's click here on the time series and pick the one that's highest. Indeed, that one county at the thumb is high and tends to remain high through time. Now, when we animate and look at where that county is shown highlighted on the distribution plot, we see that often it is the outlier. And that is how we can animate through time and I quickly and rapidly undertake an initial exploratory visualization and analysis.